Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 43rd question from this new digital SAT potato version math, which reads, for groups of 25 or more people, museum charges $21 per person for the first 25 people, $14 for each additional person. Which function f gives a total charge in dollars for a tour group with n people where n is greater than 25? So we're going to pick a number for n. I think this is the easiest way for you all to do this. So let's say n equals 26. In that case, we're going to work back through the question. We're going to answer this on our own and then plug that 26 in for n into each answer choice and see what gives us the same answer. And so what we've got is $21 per person for the first 25 people. So if you did that 21 times 25, now whenever you have your Desmos calculator, just use it, but anytime you're multiplying by 25, if you think in terms of quarters, how many quarters are there in $21? There's, or if you had 21 quarters, I should say, then how much money would you have? You'd have $5.25, and then you got to move the decimal twice because it's not 0.25, it's 25. So 525. And then it says that it's $14 for each additional person. We've got one additional person if we've got 26 people. So we add that 14, and we wind up with 539. Now what we're going to do is in place of our n, we're going to put 26, and we're going to eliminate anything that does not give us 539. So answer choice A, 14 times 26 plus 175. So we've got 14 times 26, and actually I could use my keyboard down here, and that's plus 175 equals, whoops, actually I'm going to delete that. And it just tells us it is that 539. Now, you know that it cannot be A or D because those are actually the same, only, I'm sorry, it can't be B or D because those are the same, only you're adding 21 or 525 instead of 125. You could check answer choice C, 35 times 26 minus 350, and we've got 35 times 26 minus 350. And I did it again. And we've got 560, so we know that that doesn't work. So that's one way that you could do it. You may also be able to derive this algebraically. I think that is a tougher task for most of y'all high schoolers. But if you did derive it algebraically, then what we'd wind up with is we need a 14 times x, well actually it's n here, n minus 25, because anything over 25 is going to be times 14. And then what we've got to add there is we've got to add the $21 per person for the first 25 people. 21 times 25. And if you just distribute this and work it out, we will also get answer choice A. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You'd share it with someone who has difficulty with these types of problems where you've got to translate, or if they don't know that you can pick numbers when there's variables in the answer choices. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.